Picture this, you're on your honeymoon and you haven't gone to the bathroom in 3 days. Here's what we're gonna do to fix the sitch. A day in the life. You wake up, smile because no spiders in the bed, but you forgot your mouth tape back in the States, so your breath smells really bad and you had too much to drink again last night. You got into a little argue with the hubs. You get some morning hugs and apologize for being a bitch because no bad vibes are allowed. Then it's time for coffee and digestion water. Remember, you're elite and you have to feel your best at all times. Okay, off to the safari. What are we gonna see this morning? Lions, leopards, hippo, oh my. You drive around for 3 hours to track down these damn wild dogs and no luck. Hard work without victory is not fun. But you're hungry, so you eat a banana and a blender bomb to get the bowels moving and the blood sugar stabilized. We do not accept mediocre digestion, okay? Back to camp for a sauna and a cold plunge. Because if you want to be bomb, you have to do bomb and take care of yourself. The cold plunge was colder than you expected, so you only got your legs wet. Wow, what a wimp. That's really embarrassing for you. Maybe some gua sha? Fine, you're not a wimp. You're actually on top of your ish. Mad respect. Oh my god, is it that time? You did it. You go, girl. Bye. Okay, back to find the dogs. Hi, Mr. Tall Man. Hi, cutie elephant. Hi, hyena. You're not as ugly as I thought you'd be. Wait, over there. Stop. Is that... Wild dogs. Victory! You're so cute. Okay, phew, a hard day of work. Now, time for sunset sippers and fiber snacks before we head back for dinner. Life is grand when your bowels are working, isn't it? Sweet dreams.
Finally, someone said it. I just say it is so frustrating living in a country where you can't even trust the food that you're putting in your body. So basically, this dietitian is breaking down the ingredients that are put in most protein bars that are healthy. Protein bars are great when you're on the go. Great idea. If you don't have time to make a smoothie, if you don't have time to make a meal, grab a protein bar. But nothing is great when it is full of garbage ingredients. She says to stick to bars that only have minimal ingredients. So my rule of thumb is if I can't pronounce the ingredient, it's probably not good for my body, and it's probably not something I should be having every day. She also says the best protein bars typically contain 2 to 4 grams of fiber and 250 calories or less. Check. So this is our cookies and cream protein bar. It's our only bar with added protein. She's cute, she's yummy, she checks all the boxes, and I can pronounce every single ingredient. I know I always say that I don't want to hear it when you say you don't have time to make a smoothie, but let's be real, sometimes we do not have time. I get it. As a mom now, I always have snacks on the go. I always have 4 or 5 bomb bars in my bag at a time. I use the bomb bars for me and for my baby because I know what I'm putting in her little body. Babies love bomb bars. It's a thing. Moms, who thinks that we need to start raising little bomb babies so they can build a healthy gut microbiome, grow up to be strong and healthy and cute and cuddly? Let me know below. 70% of you guys are trying to lose weight. Now don't shoot the messenger. You can see it right here on our quiz results. When you own a health food business, people will tell you all the time to avoid words like diet, skinny, weight loss. If you're in the 30% where your goal isn't weight loss, that is great. You're here for the nutrition. But I gotta acknowledge the 70% of you that are trying to lose weight. And guys, this isn't even the most surprising thing we've learned from our quiz results. Only 8% of you are buying bombs because they're quick and easy. Most of you are here for nutrition. And it looks to me like 96% of you are committed to drinking a smoothie 5 to 7 days a week. Highly suggest getting on a subscription then so you can have your smoothie 5 to 7 days a week. You put it on autopilot. It's efficient and it saves money. Now, if you're part of that 33% that is pregnant or nursing, then you're probably going to want a smoothie 7 days a week as well because we are in our procreation era. And birthing a baby is really hard work, okay? Congrats, by the way, if you're part of the 33%. I wish that I could squeeze your baby. I am, guys, I'm obsessed with reading these quiz results. I feel like I know a whole other side of you. It's not what I expected, but I love learning everything about you. We created this quiz for you so that you could take the quiz and find out which blender bomb is best for your needs. These results help me understand what you need so that I can give you the best content, the best product, the best information to help you reach your goals. The link is in my bio to go take the quiz, so go take the quiz and send it to your friends, send it to your family, send it to anyone who you know who is trying to live a healthier or a better lifestyle or who is trying to reach a goal, whether it's improve their nutrition, weight loss, weight maintenance, weight gain, you want to build muscle, gut health, any of the above, because we're here to help. I'm sure all of you have heard of the clean girl aesthetic by now, which clearly I am not. But I am being told by my 23-year-old Gen Z social media girl that the clean girl aesthetic is out, which is really good for me and for blender bombs. I'm just really excited to see this neutral aesthetic go. It's giving bagels, oatmeal, pastries, tofu, and don't get me wrong, I love a chocolate croissant. But when we started working on this rebrand, we want to encourage people to eat their rainbow. Fruits and vegetables are a variety of different colors because they have different nutrients, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, phytochemicals. So for example, red, which is lycopene found in tomatoes, found in watermelon. It has been shown to reduce the risk of certain cancers, and we do have a medical journal to prove it. Orange, which is beta carotene, which is found in sweet potatoes and in carrots, which tastes so good in your smoothie you can't even taste them, I swear, is converted to vitamin A in the body, which is so important for vision and immune function. And if you can't tell, I have the sniffles right now because I have a 10-month-old and I could use some beta carotene right now. When purple signifies antioxidants, which are found in berries, which help reduce inflammation and help neutralize the free radicals that are floating around in your body, and that is so good for your skin. And most importantly, on top of all of that, color signifies fiber. When you have a variety of color in your diet, you know you're getting high fiber. Fiber keeps you full, and when you're full, you're happy, and happy people don't kill their husbands. Right, babe? You still with us? When he sees me pull out the ring light, he runs. Okay, so what did we learn from our lesson today, guys? Fruits and vegetables are low in calories, but high in volume and nutrients. They keep you full for a really long time, which is super useful and comes in handy when you're trying to lose weight or maintain weight. Our colors equal less calories, which equals more nutrients, which equals less hunger and less dead husbands.